The 2026 Dodge Charger Six-Pack Scat Pack marks Dodge's bold return to classic muscle car performance, but with a modern twist. In a world where many performance cars are switching to electric power, Dodge has taken a different path by introducing an all-new twin-turbo inline-six engine. The Charger Six-Pack Scat Pack blends traditional muscle attitude with updated engineering, advanced technology, and a dramatic exterior design. It is built for drivers who still crave the thrill of combustion power, but want the conveniences of a modern performance machine. At the heart of the 2026 Charger Six-Pack Scat Pack is Dodge's new Sixpack engine family. This Scat Pack variant uses the high-output version of the 3-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, producing a strong 550 horsepower and 531 pounds of torque. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission designed to deliver smooth but aggressive shifts. All-wheel drive comes standard for maximum traction, but Dodge includes a clever feature: the ability to switch the system into full rear-wheel drive. This gives enthusiasts the option to enjoy classic muscle car behavior, including drifts and burnouts. The car's performance figures are impressive, with a 0 to 60 mph time estimated around the mid-3-second mark and a quarter-mile time of about 12.2 seconds. It's the kind of power that keeps the Charger firmly planted in modern muscle territory, without relying on a V8. The 2026 Dodge Charger Six-Pack Scat Pack carries forward Dodge's unmistakable aggressive styling. The wide-body stance, muscular shoulders, and bold lines give the car a commanding road presence. One of the most notable exterior elements is the hood bulge, which clearly signals that a high-performance internal combustion engine sits underneath. Unlike the electric versions of the new Charger, the Six-Pack Scat Pack features real exhaust tips that reinforce its identity as a true muscle machine. The car sits low, wide, and confident, with large wheel options and several appearance packages available. Features like darkened badges, blacked-out wheels, and aerodynamic accents add to the intimidating look. Dodge has managed to strike a balance between modernized styling and traditional Charger attitude, making this version feel both fresh and familiar. Inside, the Charger Six-Pack Scat Pack blends performance-focused design with modern technology. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen sits at the center of the dashboard, complemented by a fully digital instrument cluster. The layout is clean, driver-centric, and easy to navigate. Performance bucket seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and available premium materials such as suede and carbon fiber accents add to the sporty atmosphere. One surprisingly practical advantage is the liftback-style rear hatch, which offers more cargo flexibility than most muscle cars. With the rear seats folding down, the Charger becomes unexpectedly versatile for everyday use. The interior feels modern, functional, and ready for spirited driving. The 2026 Dodge Charger Six-Pack Scat Pack starts at around $56,990 for the 2-door model in the US. The upcoming 4-door version is expected to begin slightly higher. For the level of performance, heritage, and technology it offers, the pricing is competitive within the performance car segment.